Hi guys, this is expanding single brackets problem solving questions. So it's our lovely brackets, but words within it, which is always a pain, but we need to know it. The perimeter of a rectangle is given by 2x plus 5 plus 2 bracket x plus 3. Expand and simplify the expression for the perimeter in terms of x. So all that's asking us to do is expand out the brackets, collect like terms, and that's it. So we're going to do 2 times x is 2x, plus 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2x, plus 6. And then we're going to collect our like terms, which we have 2x plus 2x, which is 4x. It's all plus. 10 plus 6 is plus 16. And that's it. There you have it. So it's actually not that difficult, is it? But you just got to, take out the key bits of information. All it's asking us to do in theory is just to expand and simplify that expression, and that's it. A shop sells n boxes of pencils. Each box contains 4y plus 2 pencils. That's an n there. Should be an n. Write an expression for the total number of pencils and expand it. So what I'm going to do is going to rewrite that. So it's n 4y plus 2. That's what it's asking for us. These are our pencils. So we've got n times 4y is 4ny, or it could be 4yn. I'll just write it in alphabetical order, plus 2 times n. So that is my expression. It's as simple as that. 4ny plus 2n. So don't look at it and think it's really difficult and overcomplicated, because it's not. This one gets you guys on foundation, and you really doesn't need to be. A garden has a length of 3x plus 7 meters and a width of x plus 2 meters. Write and expand an expression for the total length of fencing needs to go around the garden perimeter. First thing you need to know what the perimeter is. It's the outside of the shape. And when I say the outside of the shape, it means adding all the sides up. Okay? So you're adding everything around the shape. That's your perimeter. So we've got that sorted. The length in meters and a width. So our width is going to be x plus 2. Down this way, our width. And then our length is going to be 3x plus 7. So this question actually didn't have a shape. I've pre-drawn that because I always like to put the shape in. It's just easier to visualise. And I am a visualise learner, so I do need to visualise things. So if you need to do that, draw it. So what you need to know is how to work out the area. And to work out the area is you timesing it by 2. So, for example, we've got 3x plus 7 twice, haven't we? There's 2 lots of it. So I'm going to put them in brackets. It's just easier to work out. So I've got 2 lots of 3x plus 7. That's what that means. So if I've got that, I'm going to need to do it again, but with the width, because I've got 2 lots of width. And the perimeter, because that's what it's asking us for, is adding. So now I'm going to put an add. So I've broken down everything. So 2 times 3 is 6x. 2 times plus 7 is 14. Plus 2 times x. And 2 times 2 is 4. Now I'm going to collect like terms. We've got 6x plus 2x. And we've got 14 plus 4, which is 18. And that is our answer. 8x plus 18 is our perimeter. I hope you understood that. If not, rewind and take another look, because it is something that you need to do. It's a common question. A student buys K pens at 2m plus 1 each. Write and expand an expression for the total cost. So this time we're going to do, should be K. I don't know why that's come out like that. We have K, 2m plus 1. Okay, that's it. So now we're going to find the total cost. So we're going to do K times 2m. So we now have 2 and km plus K times 1 is 1k. And we can't simplify it because that's one term and that's another term. So that's your answer. So that's the number of pens. The area of a rectangle is given by a bracket b plus 4. Expand the expression for the area in terms of a and b. Now, you see this type of question written like this, and it literally is expanding this. That's all it's asking you to do in terms of A and B. Now, I've drawn a rectangle just to show you, again, a quick refresher, that the area is inside the shape. So it's asking us for the expression of what's inside the shape. So A, B, plus 4. A times B is AB, plus A times 4 is 4A. So that is now our expanded expression. Nice and easy, just the terminology can be a little bit tricky. Hope this helps, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye-bye.